Welcome. In this video, you'll learn how to export your Gmail emails to MBOX files so you can store, transfer, or open them in other email clients. Exporting Gmail to MBOX lets you archive messages, access them offline, move emails to a new client, and even keep records for legal or long-term storage purposes. There are two ways to export your Gmail to MBOX format: manually using Gmail or using a specialized automated export tool. We'll show you both methods. In the first method, we use Gmail itself. Follow the steps, visit Google Takeout, and log in with your Gmail account. Under Select Data to Include, choose Mail and uncheck other services if not needed. Now select .zip as the file type and choose a preferred size limit in export settings. Lastly, click on Create Export. After some time, you will receive notification with a download link on your email. Download your emails from there. That's it. The manual method is free, but it can be slow if you have many emails. You cannot export bulk emails. The second method uses a dedicated export tool. Steps to export Gmail emails as MBOX format are: download the tool and install it on your PC. Click on Open tab and go to Email Accounts, Add Account. Log in using your Gmail credentials. Next, go to Export and select MBOX as the desired format. Choose the destination path and click Save to start the process. Done. Within few minutes, all your Gmail messages are saved in MBOX format without any hassle. Export tools are ideal for large mailboxes. They automate the entire process, preserve email structure, include attachments, and let you export everything quickly to MBOX. The manual method is free but best for a few emails. An automated export tool is faster and ideal for large Gmail mailboxes or frequent exports. Download the tool for the link given in the description box. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you learn how to export Gmail to MBOX, please like the video, share it with others, and subscribe for more email backup and export tutorials.